The bedrock of foundational medicine is the roadmap to health, a systematic approach to wellness. A key component of the roadmap is the drainage funnel. Drainage as part of a detox protocol is a commonly overlooked concept for many healthcare practitioners. Foundational medicine looks at drainage as a critical step prior to starting any detox journey. It's important to clarify that drainage pathways include the colon, with 2 to 3 bowel movements per day, the liver and bile ducts, the lymphatic system, the glymphatic system, or draining the brain into the lymphatics, kidneys with urine excretion, and skin through perspiration. If drainage pathways are blocked, toxins and pathogens have no place to go and are recirculated throughout the body, potentially causing long-standing toxicity and persistent health concerns. As with any important journey, an effective roadmap is critical to your success. The roadmap to health is a 5-phase systematic approach that supports the bodily functions needed to address the toxicity, illness, and other health concerns that often lead to many persistent symptoms. Each of the 5 phases includes products designed for mitochondrial support to provide proper cellular energy, the nutrients necessary for the body's detoxification processes, ingredients to address toxins, toxicants, and foreign organisms, binders to help carry toxins out of the body, and drainage support for each level of the drainage funnel. Each phase removes a barrier to health, and those barriers must be removed in a specific order for the journey to be a success. Phase 1. Here we're starting the process of opening your drainage pathways and making sure that mitochondria are turned on, allowing for proper, optimal function of every organ, gland, and cell in the body. This is key to getting the body ready for proper detoxification. Phases 2, 3, and 4 contain products that focus on the removal of foreign organisms, going deep into the organs, tissues, and cells, supporting full body detoxification. Phase 5 focuses on the deepest level of detoxification for those that need intensive support for more complicated health concerns. The CellCore foundational and comprehensive protocols include supplements that are designed to follow the roadmap to health and support you through each phase of your health journey.